All right, so let's look at Bitcoin here really quickly. The weekly time frame is getting the bounce to the upside, falling wedge, and that these break up 68% of the time. And your measure move is $87,700. I've probably been talking about this measure move of $87,700 for about a month now. So probably ever since about this red candle right here, 3 to 4 weeks. So that is still the measure move. You see that we're breaking to the upside. You bounce off that low at 56,639. To me, that's probably your low. Anything is possible. The 3-day time frame is overbought. The 2-day time frame is overbought, and the daily time frame is getting the move to the downside. I could also see on the daily that that's another little bit of a falling wedge. I want to see Bitcoin on the weekly time frame hold $65,500. That's what I would really like to see. But here's another idea on the smaller time frames, that this is a falling wedge, and if this plays out, obviously it'd be more confirmation that we're going to get the move to the upside. So this measure move is not quite as high as 87.7, but you could get up to 83,155, and then from there I would hope for another flag, and then you get another falling wedge or something taking you to the final destination, which is just shy of 90,000. So I'll leave that drawing there. We'll see what happens. We'll see if I'm somewhat accurate with that in the next coming weeks and months. I do believe if we go up to $87,700, it's going to take 1 to 2 months to play out, because it is on the weekly time frame. It could take 1 to 3 months to play out, but that's what I'm looking at on Bitcoin. Now going down to the 4-hour time frame, that is a big jump down, but going down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we're still in this falling wedge I just drew. And yeah, I would like to see Bitcoin hold $65,500. This is just macro time frame analysis, and Bitcoin can hold that. A lot of meme coins, a lot of altcoins can pump to the upside, and I'm holding a nice bag of a few altcoins and a few meme coins. So we'll see what happens, but that's what we got going on. I like the fact that the 4-hour chart is making a higher low. That is a very good sign in my opinion. Look at the 1-hour chart. That is not really a falling wedge because it doesn't look that beautiful, but again, that's a higher low on the 1-hour. There's a higher low on the 4-hour. I really like what I'm seeing on Bitcoin. I don't really want to get below the 1-hour too much, but I like what I'm seeing on the 4-hour chart. So if Bitcoin can hold 65,500, or especially we make a higher low above 66.3, that would tell me that this falling wedge on the daily is playing to the upside, and your measure move is about 83,000. So we'll see what happens. That's what I'm looking for. I'm more bullish than bearish on Bitcoin right now, but again, you have to remember the 2-day time frame and the 3-day time frame need to come down. So short term, I'm bullish on Bitcoin. Long term, I'm bullish on Bitcoin. And medium term, we need a move down. So we'll see what happens, but I'm calling for a move to the upside in 1 to 2 months, 1 to 3 months. Super short-term price action. I'm also calling for a bounce on the 4-hour chart because you are getting a higher low. If you take out 65, what did I say? It was 66.3. If you take that out, you're coming down to the weekly support at 65.5. If you lose that, then you're coming back down to 60,600. But for right now, if you can hold this level right here at 66.3, I see more upside for Bitcoin. With that being said, guys, that's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this, pretty sure if you hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification on YouTube if you guys are new, so you get notified every time I post a Bitcoin update.